my name is Olivia and I'm with the Connect Lab. Today we're going to go through the steps for the electric slide. It's pretty simple but super fun. Let's get started.
It's electric. You can't see it. It's electric. You gotta feel it. It's electric. Ooh, it's shocking.
Alright, so let's break down the electric slide. You start with a grapevine, side step to the right, left foot to the back, right, step together. You're welcome to add a little snap or a clap, dancer's choice. Then you go left, right, left, together. Then we take 4 steps to the back. 1, 2, 3, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Then you scooch and you turn quarter turn and start from the beginning.